The Amsterdam City Swim is a large open-air event. This event is now possible because the water in canals is of good quality. What made the water this clean? Decades ago, the board of the Regional Water Authority decided to connect houses to the sewage system. Ever since, the water is treated before it is released into the surface water. This has resulted in a lasting improvement to the water quality. Waternet is the only water cycle company in the Netherlands and works by order of the Board of the Municipality of Amsterdam and the Board of the Regional Water Authority Amstel, Gooi and Vecht. Waternet owns many assets, for example, 1,200 sewage pumping stations, more than 500,000 drinking water connections, more than 3,000 kilometers of drinking water pipes, 140,000 manholes, 900 water pumping stations, locks and waterworks, 1,600 kilometers of large waterways, 2,300 kilometers of piping for wastewater disposal, and more than 500 kilometers of flood defenses. That is a lot. How do you manage that? For example, when do you replace a lock gate, or do you decide to maintain it instead? Or in case of an outdated drinking water installation, how do you know which decision you make? Do you increase the capacity of your installation because the number of inhabitants will grow? Or do you expect people to use less water and therefore you are able to choose a smaller installation? There are many things to take into account when making the right choices. This is what we call asset management. Our environment is becoming more and more complex. The climate is changing. We increasingly work together with other organizations. Citizens want to be heard and watch us with a critical eye. All these aspects determine our way of working, our desire to keep doing the right things now and in the future. But how do we make a good decision for the long term? We do this in a structured and uniform way. With every choice, we weigh carefully the costs, performances, and risks. In doing so, we also look at the environment and all stakeholders. We have a lot of digital data of our assets and the possibility to link all of this data. We analyze this data and therefore we are better able to get a complete overview. With this information, we enable our clients, the Board of the Regional Water Authority and the Municipality of Amsterdam, to make informed decisions. This way, we spend the income we receive from our customers in a well-considered way. We document our choices so that later on we can retrace why we made that choice. To achieve this, we have specialists who are continually improving themselves professionally. This way, we can future-proof our activities. We work according to uniform processes that clearly define who is responsible for which product, service, or information. Every specialist decides how these products, services, and information are best delivered. And automation and digitalization simplify our work and sharing of information. This enables us to work together within Waternet, even if we cannot see each other. In summary, what is asset management? Activities and processes that enable us to optimally manage our assets during its lifetime. Boards make decisions based on the weighing of required performances, acceptable risks, and costs. Asset management is being better able to choose which investments are most important for our clients and customers.